Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an eyeshadow tutorial for you guys today. I am doing the Walking on Eggshells, $2.99 at Walgreens. This is by Wet n Wild. They are brand new. They just came out, and this is what the eye look looks like today. Absolutely stunning. This is like the most natural looking eye I have worn in a long time. It is a nude, more on the nude side, so you can wear a very, very bold lip, or if you're not really comfortable with wearing really, really bright makeup, you can totally do this and it will look so natural. I think it's stunning, and if you guys think it's stunning, just stay tuned for that tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take the transition color and I'm going to sweep it back and forth in my crease, in the lower part of my crease, coming up to the higher part of my crease up here, not too high. Just going windshield wiper motions back and forth like this, giving this a nice amount of color. After that is done, I'm going to take a packer brush and go into that crease color and just pat it on right here on the corner of the lid, bringing it up into the crease a little bit on the lower portion of the crease, just staying on the corner of the eye. Now you will notice that the crease color and the transition color are similar. I'm going to take the crease color and put it in the corner as well right here, bringing it up into the crease. The crease color is just, it has like a shimmer to it, and the transition color is a matte. Bringing it up a little bit into the crease right there, leaving that middle part empty. I'm going to go ahead and go with the eyelid color. Take a flat packer brush and just pat this in there like this, in that empty space. This is going to bring a focal point to the eye, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a nice flat brush, puffy brush, and I'm going to take that brow bone color and put it under the eye here, the eyebrow. Going back and forth, kind of diffusing it because it's a very shiny color. Taking the brow bone color on a pointer brush, and I'm just going to add a little highlight right there to the corner of my eye. Taking the transition color on a flat brush, I'm going to go ahead and just smoke out the bottom line right here underneath my lashes. And then grabbing the crease color on the brush and just putting a little bit in the corner. I'm going to go ahead and put my liner on and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just popped on the eyelashes and a little bit of eyeliner on top. Put some mascara on the bottom. What do you guys think? I think it's beautiful. I think it's very natural, very gorgeous. If you guys liked this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.